Hey YouTubers, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some crafts. We got birdhouses, and we're going to be painting them and maybe adding some rocks and stuff. We're actually going to take this blue and make it a lighter blue. How we do that is we add white.
You need this white?
I think that will be about good enough. So now I'm going to actually start the blue. I'm going to do white, blue, and white.
Hey babe, is that one? Or is that too white?
Alright, so now we got the first coat on here. And I'm going to put a second coat on this. We got the second coat of the blue on here. And now I think I'm going to go with the white and get that done. So you always want to make sure that you get the color that you're using out of the brush before you start a lighter color. If not, then it's the lighter color is going to show up different than the color that you want. I think that's got it pretty good. So here we go with the white. We're going to do the roof and the bottom of the birdhouse. There's our first coat of the white on there. And now we're going to do a second coat. That's the second coat of the white. And I'm going to wash out the brush once again. I think that will work for the top for now. I still don't know if I'm quite finished with it, but right now it's just an ideal. I think I'm going to go ahead and finish the bottom here. And Elizabeth here is doing a pretty good job on hers. And if you guys were wondering where we got these birdhouses, we actually got these from Walmart. You can get them for like $1 to $5. And got different, ones, different shapes and sizes. So and the paint, all the paint that we got came from Walmart as well. We're actually getting somewhere now. I think I'm trying to go for the theme of like a beach house, and I'm gonna actually add in some stone.
I made a chicken.
Look at this, guys. She made a chicken.
In the back of a house.
Pretty cool, right? I got the side there done. Now I've gotta get the hot glue gun out, and I'm gonna glue some stones around that. And I got then some windows to do and some other cool stuff. So these are the stones that we'll be using. Real nice, colorful stones. To give you guys an idea of what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing here. But this is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna fast forward this part. Finally got all the rocks done. This is what I got now going on here. I think it's looking pretty good. Well, good morning, YouTubers. I didn't finish it last night, but this is what we got going on so far. And I'm gonna actually head to the store and get some popsicle sticks. Alright, so we made it to the store, Family Dollar. Alright, YouTube, so we got the popsicle sticks, and we're gonna actually put these on the windows, around the windows, to make it look a little bit better. I actually have finished the birdhouse here. I think it looks pretty good. And if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.